Alright, so I said we have different methods of solving binomial theorem. So number one is what? General expansion method. Alright, we all have the idea of this general expansion. Okay, so number two is what? Using Pascal's triangle. Number three is what? Using binomial formula. Alright, so let's take example on using general expansion method. For example one, say we have x plus y raised to power 2. Okay, x plus y raised to power 2. What they are telling us is that you want to be able to multiply x plus y twice. You want to multiply them together. All right, so that's what? X plus y, x plus y. We've separated them. We now have two terms. Okay, so what we are doing next is that we want to take one variable here, multiply by this other variable, then take the second one, multiply by this also. So we have x open bracket x plus y open bracket x plus y. All right, so that will be x plus x is what? X square. X plus y is what? Xy. Then plus y times x is what? Sorry, xy. Then y times y is what? Y square. Right, so we have what? If you look at this now, we have two like terms, so we can multiply this together. Since the coefficient of this one is what? Is 1, and the coefficient of this one is also what? 1. Then we can add them together, right, to be x square plus 2xy plus what? Y square. All right, so this will be our answer. So example 2. Example 2. Say x plus y raised to power 3. Alright, so what we're saying is that we want to multiply them what? 3 times. X plus y multiplied by what? X plus y multiplied by what? X plus y. Alright, so since from here we can now bring it out that x plus y, since we know that when we have 2x plus y here, we know it's what? X plus y raised to power 2. Alright, and we already have the term, the expression for x plus y raised to power 2. So we can now say that what? X plus y multiplied by what? X plus y raised to power 2, right? Then x plus y raised to power 2, what does it give? X squared plus 2xy plus y squared. That will be what? X squared plus 2xy plus what? Y squared. Then also do the same thing we do here. Right? Follow the same step. We have x open bracket x square plus 2xy, right, plus y square, close the bracket. We have what? Plus y open bracket what? X square plus 2xy plus what? Y square. Right, so that was x times x square is what? X cube, right? X cube plus 2x square y, all right, plus xy square plus x y square. X comes before y, is x comes before y, so we have to follow the alphabetical order also. Right, y multiplied by x square, we know is yx square, but in our alphabet x comes before what? Before y, so we have to follow that rule also. That was x square y plus 2xy square plus y cube, right, plus y cube. So then we can have it, we can now look at the like terms, bring like terms together. That was x cube. All right, look at it, x square and y. Where do we have x square and y? We have it here and we have it here, right? Then plus what? 2x square y plus x square y, right? What do we have next? Xy square plus xy square. Now look at the term where we have y square again. We have what? 2 plus 2xy square. Then we have what? Plus y cube. So we can now add the terms together, right? So we have what? X cube plus what? The coefficient of this one is what? Is 1. That will be plus 3x square y, right? Plus what? The coefficient of this one is also what? 1. plus 3xy square plus y cube. So therefore this will be our final answer. Okay.
It's not supposed to be like reducing x cubed plus y cubed plus 3x squared y.
X cube
Plus y cubed.
This one does not follow. It doesn't have to follow the something. This one doesn't have to follow it. And Pascal Jean, that is very good. Right. So let's take another example. Example number 3, right? Like I was saying, x plus y raised to the power 4 is equivalent to what? X plus y multiplied by what? X plus y raised to the power 3. Because the invisible power for this one is what? It is 1. So according to law of indices, if you add the power, right, it will give you what? 4. When we have multiplication, we can add the power, right? It will give you raised to the power 4. So that's how we are able to get that, right? So for this one, we already got our answer for x plus y raised to the power 3. Here is it, right? One bring that answer. We have what? X plus y in brackets, call it for me. S cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So this is our expansion for this, right? So now multiply x plus y multiply by what? All this. Now what? X open brackets x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, right?
Yes.
Then plus y into bracket s cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, right? Plus what? Y cube. Are we there? Okay. So now we can expand, right? That will be x times x cube is what? X raised to the power 4. X times 3x square y will be what? Plus 3x cube y. Right? X multiplied by this will be what? Plus 3x square y square. Are we there? X multiplied by y cube will give us what? X y cube. Alright? Then do for this one also plus y in bracket. Okay, sorry. Plus what? Y times x cube will what? X cube y. Y times 3x square y will be what? 3x square y square. Alright? Y times 3x y square will be what? Are we there?
Yes.
Plus y times 3x square y will be what? 3x y cube plus what? Y raised to the power 4. Are we good? We are not good. So look at it. We multiplied this, the first variable, by all this. Here is it. The second variable by all this. Here is it. So you now have to multiply one by one, right? Multiply one by one. So we have what? X raised to the power 4 plus all this, right? So now we can collect like terms, right? So that will be x raised to the power 4 plus this is gone 3x cube y. Now 3x cube y, where can we find x cube y again? Here. Plus s cube y. If you are confused, you can call me back, please. Alright, you can call me back, please. I don't like the situation whereby I will now teach finish, I will shout. Someone will now tell me that I don't understand. Come on. But I like when I teach. Don't worry, I can shout. Let me shout for you. Just know it. That's the problem. Just know it. So let's continue. We have x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube y plus x cube y. So what's the next one? Plus 3x square y square. This is gone. What do we have x square y square again? Yeah. Plus 3x square y square. What's next? xy cube plus xy cube. Alright, where do we have xy cube again? Here. Plus 3xy cube. And We are done with all this. Plus y raised to power 4. Are we good? So at this point, we've been able to do what? To collect like terms. So now we can add x raised to power 4 plus what? 3 plus 1 is what? 4x cubed y. 3 plus 3 is what? 6, right? 6x squared y squared. This is gone, right? This plus this will give us what? Plus 4xy cubed. What's the next one? Plus y raised to power 4. So here's the final answer.